Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video I want to help you figure out which Ford Transit cargo van you have. Now the Ford Transit is a little bit complicated because they make so many different length and height options. So when you look at the length of the Transit, it's available in a 130-inch wheelbase, a 148-inch wheelbase, and what they call the 148-inch extended length option. And then it's also offered in 3 different roof heights. You can get it in a low roof, a mid roof, and a high roof. So a lot of different options, which is great. You can get a van that exactly meets the specs you need, but it can make it complicated when trying to figure out what you have, because there's some equipment that's made specifically for specific roof heights and wheelbase options and things like that. So I want to help you figure that out. So what we have in front of us is a 148-inch regular wheelbase with a mid roof height. So it's that medium roof and medium length option. So the first thing that you want to figure out is what is your wheelbase. And so the wheelbase is the measurement between your front axle and your rear axle. So you can get a tape measure out, kind of line it up to that front wheel and the rear wheel and figure out if it's 130 or 148. Nice thing that Ford does is right here on their VIN sticker is they put the wheelbase. So you can see here, you've got a 148 WB right up there. Now for the 148, that's not super helpful. Well, it is helpful, narrows it down for you, but you need to figure out if you have the regular body or the extended body. So on the Transit, there's the rear overhang right here. You're gonna either have kind of a regular length back there, or it's gonna be extended. So we have a regular here. Quick measurement that you can take to figure out if you have the regular or extended. Just go right here at your rear wheel, put it all the way up to the center of the wheel there. Go to your bumper, it's going to be about 48 inches or 4 feet. Another thing that you can do, open up the cargo area, take a look at this measurement right here between the rear wheel well and that rear door frame. It's going to be about 14 inches. So if you're getting those measurements, you have the regular body length. If it's about a foot too longer, you're going to have that extended option. So if you have those measurements, either you have the 130-inch wheelbase, there's only one body length option with that. You've got the 148, figure out if you got regular extended. Next thing you have to do is figure out if you have low, medium, mid, or high roof. And so a quick measurement that you could do on this, so right here at the middle of the rear axle, all the way up to the corner of the roof, it's going to come in at about 97, 98 inches. So you're about 9, 10, less than that, you got the low roof, 9, 10. Greater than that, you're gonna have that high roof. So those couple of quick measurements, look at that wheelbase sticker. If it's defaced, just take a quick measurement between your front and rear axle, get that wheelbase. If you've got the 148, make sure you take a measurement of that rear overhang, see if it's regular extended, and then figure out your roof height. Now the one thing is, if you have a 148-inch extended wheelbase, it's only offered in one roof height, which is the high roof. So that makes it easy. If you figure out you have the extended, you've got that high roof. So hopefully this video has been helpful to you. Again, those measurements are important because if you're getting a floor inside, or you're getting liners, or you're getting steps and things like that, shelving, how much shelving can you fit, all of that, your wheelbase and your roof height is going to be extremely important. So make sure you figure out those measurements and get the right products the first time. Now, if you're looking for any equipment for your van or truck to get it ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. And my name is Ryan. Have a good one.